So it's summer. Well, it's summer if you're north of the equator. And you love your coffee drink, it tastes really good, nice warm drink, but you wanna shake it up. No pun intended. Or pun intended. You're gonna see later, this is foreshadowing. I'm gonna show you how you can make yourself a refreshing cold beverage. I found this recipe from Epicurious, so I'm gonna link that down below. I'm not gonna take credit for this. Let's go check it out. Actually, I'm gonna bring you with me. All right. Okay, so for this recipe, you're gonna need a couple of things, different ingredients and different tools. Feel free to mix and match different things, use different syrup, use different milks, use different tools if you have them. I'm just gonna show you what I'm going through. So in terms of tools, I'm gonna need, of course, an espresso machine, or maybe you could do, if you have an AeroPress, you could even probably do this with pour over. Use whatever favorite coffee method is. I'm gonna be using espresso. Cocktail shaker, tall glass. Here I have 2% milk. You could use 3%, you could use alternative milk. I have condensed milk. You could also use syrup or sugar. I like the condensed milk because I have a more natural Ethiopian coffee, so this is gonna bring out a lot of that yummy fruity flavors. Then I have two kinds of ices. I have the smaller ice for the shaker, and then I have my big fancy ice for the drink itself, so it'll dilute less. You could get something like this for the big ice. It looks a lot fancier than it is. This is something I got at the dollar store. I'll link a product like this below. Then of course, your coffee for the ingredients. All right, so let's pull a shot and then put the whole thing together. Assembly is pretty easy. It's like making a little cocktail. I am actually gonna put the condensed milk inside the shaker. That way it'll hopefully dilute a bit by all of that rigorous shaking I will be doing. Oh! Got that open. That would have been a little bit embarrassing. So we're just gonna assemble everything now. Well, we're gonna put the milk at the end just because it will have that nice like marbled effect. So let's put some condensed milk in there. I'm just putting whatever. Put your espresso or whatever coffee beverage you will be using. Let's put in our ice, a small ice I'm using for shaking. Whoop. Got a straddler or two. And we're just gonna shake this baby up. As you can see, not all of the condensed milk is mixed in there, but you got most of it, so it's okay. This is gonna make a lot of dishes, just to give you a little heads up, but it's so worth it, especially if you're making like, two different drinks for two different people or both for yourself, I don't know. I'm not gonna judge you. Strain it, let's put the ice in here and then strain it. That looks delicious. And then we just take our milk, just pour it over. Look how cute that is too, layers. I'm gonna mix it up so I get a nice drink. Oh, that looks delicious. And there you have it. Very easy, just a different way to shake things up. Oh, that's delicious. Like this, if this has helped you, it can help other people. And also, who doesn't like iced coffee? So just like, you gotta like that for that. Share this video with all your other coffee friends or people that are just always hot in the summer. Comment, let me know if you like this. Let me know what alternatives you've done or your version of an iced coffee. Subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell notification so you can continue seeing this face and all my wonderful content that I'm working so hard on. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna enjoy this now. Maybe go on my balcony. Maybe start my day. All right, bye.